Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a mani today, and it's going to be a zoo animal mani because I'm in a collaboration, and the theme is zoo animals. So I've got a couple plates I'm going to use, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to start off. What I did was I used IMK nails peelies, and this is a water-based peel-off base coat. I used that on 2 coats of that, making sure that I have each coat in between dry completely and on oil-free nails. So if you're not sure if they're oil-free, just take some alcohol and a lint-free cloth and just wipe your nails off. And then 2 coats of the IMK nails peel off base coat, and then I did 2 coats of the IMK nails white busyness. That's going to be my base, and then I topped it off with Glisten and Glow fast dry top coat. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do today is I think we're going to use, well, I've got 2 plates. And this one has got some larger giraffes here and some other images. I'm not so big on, well, anyhow, I like the smaller single images versus all the, a whole nail full of smaller animals. And then there is this, well, this one was MoU London 03, the Animal Collection 03. And this one is MoU London Animal Collection 02. So that's what I was planning to use. I really like this image right here. I like the polar bear, the zebra, the koala. I don't know if you saw all those, but that's my thought process. So I was thinking of doing a gradient with the white busyness, and also this Indie Angel called Dublin. It's just a really dark, deep green, and I just think it would look pretty, and it could be like a background for like grass or something. So I thought we would go ahead and do that. So I'm waiting on my nails to dry, and when they're dry, I'm going to start with my gradient. Okay, I'm going to start off with using this Pween latex tape, and I'm going to go ahead and put the latex all around my fingers. Okay, now that my latex is almost all dry, I'm going to take a piece of sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and start the process here. So hopefully that's going to be okay. It's kind of came up a little too high on that, like a dummy. But I think we'll be all right. I think we'll be all right. And then I'm going to do the same on the others. Take the latex off, if I can grab a hold of it. Okay, and now I'm going to just do some good old-fashioned cleanup around the edges. Okay, so then we're going to top it off with Glisten and Glow Fast Dry Top Coat. Just like so, and that's the gradient that you have. It's not so bad. It's pretty dark, but I think once we put the animals on, it will be great. I'm thinking about using this plate. I'm going to take, it's a Moyu London Animal Collection O2 plate. I think I'm going to use my Beauty Big Bang Black and my Beauty Big Bang stamper. So I'm going to see what it looks like. We're going to do some reverse stamping, and I think I'm going to do these giraffes. Have your stamper ready, scrape, pick it up, and there you go. And then I'm going to get this cleaned up. Okay, so now we have a lovely giraffe. Now I can figure out what I want to do, and I think we want to do brown. Hit the bottle, which is Every Day I'm Truffling, and let's just see what it looks like. The dots are going to be the darker brown, so we'll go ahead and do those first. I'll put a little bit on my and I'm going to grab me a old janky brush that I use for reverse stamping, and where we have the black dots that aren't fully covered, I think I'm going to fill those in with just the black dots. I'm going to fill those in with the brown. So you have to be very light-handed. And if you're not perfect, it's okay. Because a giraffe is lighter on the coat, but the dots are the brown. And then we need a lighter tan color. And I really think this Indie Angel Non is a real pretty color. So let's try that and see what that looks like. Let's just see what it looks like as the rest of it. So we'll fill in the rest. So this is what you have right there. I think it'll be all right, because when you do it here, it'll look okay. And I'm going to put that on the middle nail right there. So I'm going to get a sticky base coat. And then I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to place it right in the center. I want to make it come off the edge. Just like so. You see that? What cute little giraffes. How about we use the zebra? And we'll just scrape him, pick him up, And then we have a lovely zebra right there. Now we're basically just going to fill it in. Since it already has the black stripes, we're going to use white, Sassy Sauce Polish, Marshmallow Stamping Sauce. And it dries quick. You want to make sure you're working pretty quick. Now all I'm going to do is, I'm just going to dab it because I don't want to smear it. Okay, so now we have a zebra. We're going to stick him right here. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Here, I'll try to. There. Let's try to do this this cheetah again, but I'm going to try to swipe it very lightly. I'm going to use this one. We're going to use more of an orangey type color, so I'm thinking more of a copper, maybe coppery. So I'm just going to try to see what this looks like. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, so hopefully this will look all right. And I'm going to have it come off. I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to have it come off of my nail towards the side. Like it's peeking around the corner. You see that? So I have 3 things now. I'm not sure what to put on this last finger. Okay, I found my Moira plate, 46 plate. You can probably do this Z and that O. And that O. This Z. In black first. Stamp it. Right, like so. I'm probably going to double stamp it. Now I just hope the other one fits. But we're going to give it a try. We'll see if it fits. It does, but it's connected. So now we're going to double stamp so that it kind of, you can tell what I've got going on. And then let's find the Z, and we're going to stamp right next to it. So that you can, it's like a double stamp. There. So now you can see that it says zoo on there. I probably should have came up more, but there's not much I can do about it now. So that's a cute little Manny. Okay, so now that I'm all cleaned up and I've got this done, I'm going to top it off with some Glisten and Glow top coat. Okay, so that is my Manny for today. I think it's a really cute Manny. The gradient in the back, I don't know. I mean, I think it's pretty. I don't understand why he did it, to be honest, but I just thought maybe it could represent grass, but it's kind of a blue-green. But either way, I think it makes the animal stand out, and it looks really pretty. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care.